Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is veg noodles, that is veg Hakka noodles. So let's get into the video without any further delay to know how this recipe is made. To get started, I have a big bowl of water kept to boil. I'm adding in the required salt. I'm using the crystal salt because anyways the water will boil and it will get dissolved into it. And then I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of oil and letting the water come to a boil before I drop in the noodle block. So I am using about 1.5 a packet of Hakka noodle that I've got from store. It weighed about 150 grams, I guess. I'm not sure about the weight, but I used about 1.5 a packet. And then I boiled it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it cooked about 70 to 75%. And then I drained it down into a strainer, and I'm adding in the normal room temperature water to stop it from further cooking. And keeping this aside, into a kadai I'm adding in about 5 tablespoons of oil and heating it up before I drop in about half a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute this well until the fresh flavor of garlic comes out well. And then goes in about 2 slit green chilies. Here you can also use the green chili sauce, but I'm using green chilies because of its good flavor. And then goes in about half a cup of julienne carrots, half a cup of finely chopped beans, and giving it a good mix. You can also chop the carrots finely, but I like the julienne carrots well into the noodles. And you can also use cabbage into this, but I'm not using cabbage for this recipe. And then goes in about 3/4 cup of sliced capsicums, 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, and about a pinch of salt. And sauteing these vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes until they turn nice and crunchy. And to mention a tip, guys, do not cook any Indo-Chinese recipes on low or medium flame, but always follow high flame. And after stir frying these vegetables well, I'm dropping in about 3/4 cup of sliced onions. And just saute this for like a minute until this onions get nice very light golden color. And goes in about 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. You can also increase it if you want it to be more spicy. And then goes in about 1.5 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. You can also use light soya sauce, but increase the quantity. And then goes in about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can also use lemon juice, but won't give the exact taste though. And just saute this well for a minute until the raw flavors are gone. And then I'm transferring the boiled noodles and dropping in the chopped coriander leaves and the required salt. Be very cautious while adding salt because the dark soy sauce contains salt, and we also added salt while boiling noodles. So be very cautious and mix this well and cook it until about 5 minutes so that the noodles become hot again. And don't forget to serve this yummy homemade noodles with tomato ketchup on side, and drop your comments on how it turns out and what next recipe you want to watch on my channel. Until next time, bye.